Of course, yeah, yeah, I love to learn the new
So
stuff.
you say you want to learn Liberian English. So I'm going to be asking some few words how they are pronounced in Hindi, and then he will. I mean, he's going to translate for us. So we'll start right. Most of the time, we'll have people coming in your application.
Yeah.
So the first thing there, how do you say hi or hi or hello? How do you say hello in Hindi?
You say Hanji.
Hanji,
Yeah, Hanji. We say Hanji.
Hanji in Hindi.
Yes.
Then in Punjabi, how do you say hi?
Same like hello Hanji.
Oh, Hanji.
Hanji Baijan.
Okay.
Hello brother.
Then Kesai is which one is Kesai?
Guess, how are you? Okay, we say you know the car. We say the gadi. What do you say in the Liberian?
Okay, car, right? You
Yeah,
say Gadi.
gadi.
In Liberia, we say car.
Oh my God!
Car. Car in common English we say car. Standard English we say vehicle.
Vehicle. Yeah, vehicle. Okay.
Then how do you guys call big truck? The big truck, and how do you guys call it?
Yes. Big truck. We say truck.
No, which one is Gadi and which one is Balagadi?
But okay, okay. The car is like four-wheeler, small one, which is you use for the family or
Uh,
for something like that. The other one is big one, is like we call say the Toyota, the truck, the big
yeah,
vehicle
how
to
do you
carry the
guys call it?
transport.
And how do you guys call that one? What's the name for that?
We say this one. I am sorry, I also forgot
This
because
guy
we
don't
don't
know
use
Hindi. I know the teacher's guy Hindi. Which one is Gadi and which one is
the
Balagadi?
bada gari. You know this car,
Balagadi is a small one.
small one,
Gadi is a big
big
one.
one. We say like Mazda.
Thank you, my friend. I'm teaching you Hindi now. He doesn't know English. How do you guys call water in Hindi?
We say pani.
Pani.
Yes, and you.
In Liberian language, we say water. In Liberia, we say water.
Hold on. Liberian is actually English. Then what is the official language?
Yeah. Uh,
What's that?
Actually, we speak English is more like our official language, but we have other languages. We
Okay.
have like 15 local languages in our country:
Yes.
Loma, Basa, Giyo, and what have you. But English is widely spoken in our country.
Ah,
It's the
okay.
most spoken language in our country because we were colonized by USA, by America.
I know, I know. I
That's
got
the
it.
reason
I
why.
got it. I got
In
it.
Liberia, we have something called colloquia. Our local,
Sorry, but
it's English. Colloquia. Colloquia.
Colloqua.
Colloquia.
Colloqua. That's
Colloquia is English, but it's broken English. You see where
yeah, near to
you
English.
go, you go, me come, me calling you, not picking. Why
Okay.
like this, right?
It's mean like the Filipino language.
No,
No.
that's
When
Pakistani language.
when the Filipino is speaking English, I call you. Why you know call like this one? You know,
Uh,
they also speak the Koloboka.
okay,
You
all
getting my
right.
point?
Okay. Thank you.
You say Shukriya.
Shukriya. In Liberia, we say thank you, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, yeah. Okay,
That's
got it.
our thank you, yeah. I see where you can say thank you. Thank you. You know, see what can Pakistani English, right?
Yes.
Like
Thank you.
you should say thank you or I appreciate.
Yes.
But if you do something for someone in Dubai, a local English, you say thank you, thank you.
Yeah, but that's it's supposed to be an Indian. Yeah, especially the South Indian. Thank you.
How do you say my friend in
Urdu.
Urdu?
We say mera dost, mere dost,
Mera dos.
aywa, my friend, mera my
Dos.
friend dost, mera dost,
Mera dos.
mera
Me,
dost.
my friend.
Yes, exactly.
Water is Spanish.
Aywa. Okay.
Car is Gari.
Got
Big
it.
car is Gari. Small car is Balagari.
Yes, exactly.
All right, all right.
My friend, mera dost,
Mirados.
mera dost.
Mirados. 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 Then thank you is Sukriya.
Shukriya. Yes, shukriya. We say that
All right.
shukriya.
So if you meet someone for the first time, how do you ask them, what is your name?
We say आपका क्या नाम है?
Huh?
आपका
आपका
क्या नाम है? What is your name?
आपका
आपका क्या
क्या
नाम
नाम
है?
है?
आपका क्या नाम है?
आपका क्या नाम है? Habibi, आपका क्या नाम है?
See, you get confused how you can speak. Urdu is very smoothly. Yeah, let me get that.
So I'm particularly asking what I'm learning here now. All right,
Yeah, this,
that's good.
yeah.
So how do you say, okay, my friend?
Yes, मेरा दोस्त,
Mirados, my friend, right?
my friend.
Thank you, शुक्रिया.
शुक्रिया. Yes.
आपका
नाम क्या है?
नाम क्या है?
Yes, exactly.
Okay. How do you say I'm going home?
I'm going home. If I will say I'm going home, I will say मैं घर जा रहा हूँ.
Huh?
मैं घर home जा रहा हूँ. Going. मैं घर जा रहा हूँ.
Guys, that's too difficult. But let's leave that.
Sorry. Skip this one.
That's too
Okay, you can
difficult.
ask
How do
this
you say
one.
my sister?
मेरी बहन.
Huh?
मेरी
Mary Behen.
बहन. बहन.
Behen.
अरे
Then how do you
बहन.
say my brother?
मेरा भाई.
Mera Bai.
भाई ब्रदर बहन सिस्टर.
Okay.
मेरा भाई मेरी बहन.
Oh, sister me Behen.
बहन.
Brother
Exactly.
me Behen.
भाई. Yes.
Then which one is Bai? Bai.
भाई. Yes. Brother.
Oh, Behen, sister.
Sister.
Bai, brother.
Brother. Exactly, man.
Oh,
Now you
wow.
are learning too much. Yeah, you know
Okay.
your mind is really, you know, you're a very intellectual and productive person. You are picking up the words like this. If you will learn like in this way in the 3 months, you will be like a Pakistani, real Pakistani.
He's flattering me.
No, no, I'm not buttering up, not flattering, but I'm
So,
telling what the truth is.
so in Liberia,
Uh,
if you want to tell somebody say the way you can say I'm in Odu, right? How do you say I'm going home?
Chutti hai, it's like day off.
Chuti hai.
Yeah.
Day off, right?
Chutti.
Okay, bye chuti.
Bhai chutti, yeah, brother, day off.
Okay.
भाई
Okay.
मेरी छुट्टी है.
ठीक है.
Brother, my day
ठीक
is
है.
off.
ठीक है. ठीक है. So if you want to say I am going home, now if you want to say that in Liberia English, in Liberia, instead of saying brother in our local language,
Yes.
you can say brabi.
Brabi. Brother,
Big brother.
big brother,
It's
Brabi.
brabi.
You mix all the big brother, Brabi.
Yeah.
Ah,
So if you want to call somebody in English,
Uh-huh.
but local our broken English in Liberia called colloquial. If you want to call big brother, you say brabi
Brabi,
or bro.
bro. Short in the short, you know, in slang, bro. You say, "Look, what's up, bro?"
So if you are going, like this time we are doing a video, right?
Yep,
And you
yep.
want to go, you say Akamigo.
Aka-
Akamigo.
I'm coming home. I don't know whether you are going or coming.
In Labra Meta, you say Akamigo.
Akamigo.
It means they are going.
Immediately going. Akamigo. Okay. Akamigo. Like this. Huh?
Yeah, so basically that's how it's like. So like Akamigo, meaning I'm going. So if you say something for instance, you and myself we're talking, right? Then I said something you did not get me, you want to ask me. You say Kewa, right?
Yeah, careful.
Kewa.
What happened?
What happened, right?
Yes,
But
what
in
happened?
Labra, you say, what thing you say? What thing you say?
What did you say?
Yeah.
What thing you say? What thing you say?
Yeah. What thing you say?
What thing you say? What thing you say?
Eh?
Uh, you know, in Pakistan we don't say sorry. What do you say? We just say
You just say
Eh?
In Labra, you can say, if you want to speak, you can say, what thing you say?
Yeah. We don't say what do you say. We say
Instead of saying sorry or come again, we say, what thing you say? What thing you say?
What thing you say?
Eh? Eh?
Eh? And you know, even though this is like a short word, but it expresses a lot of expression.
Yeah. Eh?
Eh? What did you say? We don't use this one. Say,
But instead of English, you say sorry.
Yeah.
Come again.
Yes. Come
Excuse
on.
me.
Yeah. We
Pardon?
don't use. Yeah. Pardon.
But
Eh?
Labra, eh? What thing?
Oh, what did you say?
What thing you say?
Yes.
Or what thing?
Yes. From our brother or friend, we don't say, please give me this one, that one.
How do you
We
guys
just
say?
we just give a very small expression, brother.
Like this? Okay.
Yeah, very, you know, brother. When you want more assist, you say like this.
Mm.
No, you have to make the moves,
Oh,
brother.
so if you want more assisting, how to
Yeah, you have to go more,
small
brother.
like the big one?
Like one hand like this, brother. Like this, brother. Please, like this. You know, this is a very, funny, a wide range of use of this expression
Yeah.
in Pakistan, brother.
All right. I have so many words in my head to ask him, but it's like now I'm running out of words. But
It's okay. It's okay.
gradually, we'll do video like this to, just to like, teach basic Hindi,
Yep.
few words.
Urdu, not Hindi.
What is the difference between Urdu and Hindi?
Urdu is from Pakistan.
The Hindi is from India.
India. That's why India, Hindi.
Oh,
Get
Pakistan.
Hindustan, Hindi.
That's good, guys. If you would like to see content like this on my channel, just let us know in the comment section. we'll come out with something like this. This is just a try to know exactly if you guys love it. So make sure you give the video a thumbs up and leave
Yeah.
your comment down below and let us know your thought. So thanks for watching, guys. Akamigo. Bye bye.
Akamigo.
Tell them Akamigo.
What?
Akamigo.
Aka. Okay, Akamigo. Okay, you have to subscribe this channel, like the video, share the video with other friends. They will blow out. They will learn so many new things, content regarding Asia and African stuff. So you will love this one. We will share all of your thoughts with each other, and tradition will be like mix with each other. So you will be really enjoy your time. You will not waste your time by watching this one video.
Thank you, guys. Peace
Yeah,
out.
peace.
Akamigo.
Acá, amigo.
You are very funny.